Okay, we're going to go over the phases of gait in the gait cycle. So first is going to be the stance phase. We're going to have heel strike. This will be an isometric contraction of the anterior tibialis, which is innervated by the deep peroneal nerve. Then we have an eccentric contraction of the quads, which is innervated by the femoral nerve. And we have an isometric contraction of the glute max, which is innervated by the inferior gluteal nerve. Next, we have flat foot. This is going to be an eccentric contraction of the anterior tibialis, then an eccentric contraction of the quads, and now a concentric contraction of the glute max. Next, we have mid stance. So this will be a eccentric contraction of the gastroc and soleus, which are innervated by the tibial nerve. There's going to be no motion happening at the knee, and we're going to have the glute max contracting concentrically, and the glute medius is going to be contracting isometrically to prevent the contralateral pelvic drop. And then next we have heel off. So the gastroc and soleus are going to be concentrically contracting, and there's still no motion at the knee. And then the glute max is going to be eccentrically contracting. Next we have toe off, which is going to be concentric, gastroc, and soleus. No knee motion yet, and concentric iliopsoas, because we're going to start flexing that hip forward. That one's innervated by the femoral nerve. Next we have early swing, which is going to be concentric anterior tibialis, because we need to dorsiflex, and then there's still no muscles at the knee working, and the iliopsoas is going to be concentrically contracting to flex the hip forward. Then during mid swing, we have the anterior tibialis isometrically contracting, holding in dorsiflexion, and then we have the iliopsoas concentrically contracting to flex the hip further forward. Next, we have the terminal swing, which is the last step. We're going to have the anterior tibialis isometrically contracting still, and the hamstrings are going to be eccentrically contracting to slow down the swing of the leg, and those are going to be innervated by the sciatic nerve. Then we have another eccentric contraction by the glute max to again slow down the swing of the leg. So those are the gait phases.